Hi, my name is David Alemian, host of the It's About Money radio show. You know, I've been a life insurance agent for over 17 years, and I specialize in helping people build retirement plans using life insurance policies to create tax-free retirement income. Today, I'm here to answer your question about life insurance. And today's question is how to use your cash value life insurance. Well, here are some ways that you can. One is retirement planning. Another is college funding. And third is estate planning, which are three of the most common ways to use a cash value life insurance policy. Now, we could spend a long time talking about any one of these ways of using cash value life insurance. So today, I'd like to spend some time talking about my favorite way to use cash value life insurance, and that's with retirement planning. You know, one of the biggest advantages of using a cash value life insurance policy is because it creates tax-free retirement income for life. Imagine being retired and having an income that you cannot outlive. You know, let me ask you a question. Which way do you think taxes are going to go in the future? Say, next year, 5 years, 10 years, even 20 years down the road. Do you think taxes will go up? Do you think taxes will go down? Do you think taxes will stay the same? Well, no matter what they do, if you have a cash value life insurance policy that you're using for your retirement plan, no matter what taxes do in the future, it won't affect you. Imagine how secure you'd feel to have tax-free income for life. So the question is, how is the money tax-free? How is the interest that you earn with that money as it builds in your cash value life insurance policy tax-free? Well, simply put, when you pull the money out of a life insurance policy, you pull it out in the form of loans, which you do not have to pay back until death. And then any loans against that policy are simply deducted from the death benefit of the insured. And the death benefit of a life insurance policy is tax-free. As a matter of fact, since the money comes out in the form of loans, it's just a loan. It's not considered income by the IRS, so you don't even list that on your tax return, which means it won't affect your other income, such as your Social Security money. So if you're thinking about retirement, think about cash value life insurance as part of your retirement plan. So that's one of the ways that you can use life insurance, cash value life insurance. My name's David Alemian, and if you'd like to learn more about life insurance, check out my other videos on ehow.com.